So everyone, before I start that lesson, so everyone you must purchase that in textbook. Okay, Nana. So you must purchase that in textbooks and copywriting, and everyone you must write in copywriting in one page and mention the date also. Okay, what we learned that in previous class, fourth class. What we all learned? The previous classes, the first lesson it's totally completed, only is given to you in reading purpose. So what is our first lesson name? Not our problem. In this lesson only Nana is given to you in story. Okay, in this story I hope understand. It's not have any question answers, only is there in hard words and the meanings also. And it is very interesting story. You know that in the story. Okay, now let's start that in second one. So what is that in second one? My Shadow. This is a poem, Nana. Okay, what is that? Poem. So what is that poem name? My Shadow. Do you know in shadow? Yes, shadow. So what is that in shadow? How to, which time is comes to that in shadow? And who one is wrote in this one? Who is the poet? Look at that, Robert Louis Stevenson. Who is the Nana? Who is the poet of My Shadow? Robert Louis Stevenson, the poet in this poem. Okay. And before start that in poem, some hard words and meanings is there now. So look at once, look at that hard words. Okay. So what is that in hard words? So which one you know that in hard word you must put the underline. Okay. So you must write in classwork in this hard words and meanings one time. Okay. And so what is the hard words is there in this poem? Look at that. The first one, what that? Shadow. What is that, Nana? Shadow. So what is the spelling you must read in afterwards? I only told to you some hard words. Shadow, funniest, proper, children, shoots up, rubber ball, notion, covered, shame, nursey, found, shining, buttercup, arrant, stayed. So this is in this poem some hard words is there. So once you read, join with me. Shadow, funniest, proper, children, shoots up, rubber ball, notion, covered, shame, nursey, found, shining, buttercup, arrant. Next one, stayed, that last one. So in this poem, some extra in hard words, do you know that one? So you must put the underline. Next, let's go to meanings. Okay. So meanings, look at, open that page number 8, Nana. Some poem is there, and after, look at that next page, 9th page, and the down one, some meanings is there, Hindi and English. The meaning is there also, and you know the understand that in some Hindi also is there some meaning. Okay, meanings, the first one, what is given? Shadow. What is that? Shadow. A dark shape on a surface. So what is the meaning of in shadow? A dark shape on a surface. Do you know the shadow? Yes. A dark shape on a surface. Next meaning, India rubber ball. What is that? India rubber ball. A ball which you can bounce on a string. So what is that? There's some lengthy also is there, some meanings. I only wrote that in short of that meaning. You can understand that. Okay, India rubber ball, a ball which you can bounce on a string. Next one, notion. Next one, what is that? Notion. An idea or, you can understand, idea, it's enough that one meaning. But notion, the full of meaning is there. Notion, an idea or understanding of something. Next, covered. Next one, what is that? Covered. Someone who has no courage. What is the meaning of in covered? Someone who has no courage. Next one, nursey. Next one, what is that? Nursey. Its meaning of in old fashioned. Another word also is there on meaning. Old fashioned in your textbook also is there. Old fashioned. And next one, a woman whose job is to look after a young child. The job of who one is take care of a mother, stepmother. Yes, take care of that mother. It means call a nursey. A woman whose job is to look after a young child. Next one, buttercup. Next one, what is that? Buttercup. A plant with a small yellow flower. What now? In the morning session, it's growth that in buttercups. No, no, no. So which one is look like that on flower? It's yellowish color. Yes, the plant with small. Yes, the plant with small of a yellow flowers. We call that a buttercup. Next one, arrant. Next one, what is that? Arrant. Arrant means none of the meaning of incomplete and utter. What is that? Complete and utter. Read once you. Shadow, a dark shape on a surface. Join with me. Shadow, a dark shape on a surface. India rubber ball, a ball which you can bounce on a string. Notion, an idea or understanding of something. Covered, someone who has no courage. Nurse, a woman whose job is to look after a young child. Buttercup, a plant with small yellow flowers. Arrant, complete and utter. Okay, let's start that our poem. So what is that in poem? Who one is wrote? Who one is Nana? Who one is wrote that in poem? Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, now look at that in page number 8. Insight is given to you. The poem you are about the read has been written by a child poet. Who one is Nana? The child is totally written by that in poem. Who one is belongs to that child poet. He wonders at the way the shadow grows smaller and bigger all through the day. Do you know the shadow? The sunlight will come on the 12 noon. 12 afternoon, the 12 o'clock, and that time it comes to that in shadow. Why? Because our sun also it's middle of that day. Yes or no? So some shadow sun is bigger than is there, some more of smaller is there on the day. Sun lighting also on that time also shadow will comes. The lighting on the night time also shadow will comes. And it's look like that in shadow some smaller and bigger on that day. The whole one is wrote that in poem. Next, look at this picture. One of the boy is there in this picture. Yes or no? Look at that. The shadow wheels. It's a bigger look like that. Look at that one. One of the boy also stand on the bed and look at that in shadow. It's look like that in bigger. So how to is possible? Let's start that our poem. I have a little shadow that goes in a and out with me. And what can be the use of him? I more than I can see. He is very, very like me, front of the hills of the head, and I see him jump before me. I jump into my bed. What is said that in the first of our second para, second line? So what is that say? The little shadow look like some of the day. It's look like that in bigger and smaller. I can see when I go to that bed. When I go to that in bed, on that time some shadow will jump on my bed also. Why? Because the light also is there. When I close that, when I switch off that in light, it's shadow not. It's a look like that one. Yes or no? Some of time, the dark of that time, the shadow will come. So it's look like that in big and smaller than a day. It's look at that. He is very, very like me from the hills of the head, and I see him jump before when I jump into my bed. When I go to on sleep, on that time my shadow will jump on my bed. When I go to that sleep, my shadow will jump on my bed. It's look like that in bigger and smaller on that day. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and the sometimes gets so little that there none of him at all. What is the funniest moment? The funniest moment is when I grow on that time. Our head also it's look like that it grow. When I down on that time, our shadow will sit down of there. When I do that in action, when we are do that in action, our shadow will do the same action. Yes or no? Sometimes it's look like that in bigger, and sometimes it's look like that in smaller one. When we performance on the front of time, the shadow will it's look like the same one. But the head also, the which we down off in steps on that time, the down of our heads also. Some children it's not doing some proper action, and he sometimes shoots up taller like Indian rubber ball. What is the meaning of Indian rubber ball? A ball which you can bounce on a string, the Indian rubber ball, it's look like that some are little and some of the shadow wheels it's a taller. He hasn't got a notion of how children out of to play and can only make a fool of me is every sort of way. Yes, look at this second picture. On that bed, the shadow wheels, it's look like that. The legs also, it's very taller on that time. And next one, it's go to on standing on the wall. On that time, the same one shadow is look like that. So in this shadow also, it's funniest movement and very play. The children's will play on that in shadow. When we stand on that in wall, the light focusing on that time when what we are do that in action on the same one, the shadow also it's do the same one. Look at that, the boy also front of the stay on the wall on the time, that boy also it's play the same one. Next look at that page number 9. He stays so close beside me, he is covered, you can see. I would think it is shame to stick to Nursie and has that shadow stick to me. Look at that, what is the meaning of covered? Someone who has no courage, and Nursie means who woman whose job is to look after a young child. Who one is take care about that in shadow, take care about that in mother, the same one the shadow will it's a take care about that. What we do that in action, the same one the shadow will it's look like that in same. But look at that. Look at that. The Nursie means nana who one is take care about that in small of young of in child, the same one shadow will take care about that day also. One morning, very early before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on the every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant, sleepy head and stayed at my home behind me and was asleep in my bed. Look at that picture. Very beautiful picture is given to you. Yes, the boy also it's go to that in garden. Number of flowers and number of trees is there, plants is there. So he is also observed that on its go to in nature places and observe that when the sun rises on the morning, on that time the buttercups also will very shining on that time, and the yellow flowers more it's grow on that in plant. The same one morning every early before the sun was up, I rose the found the shining dew in the every buttercup. When sun shine on the time, the buttercups will grows, buttercups will comes to the shining. But my lazy little shadow, yes, sometimes the lazy little shadow like an errant sleepy ahead. But when we are open that in eyes, when the sun rises it's on time, the buttercups also it's open on that in yellowish flower, and the boy also that on that time the boy also it's lazy on that time. But we can know that in some laziness. Like an errant sleepy head had stayed at home behind me and was the fast asleep on bed. But sometimes the shadow wheels it's look like that in taller and smaller and comes to on forward. What we do that in action, the same one is do on that shadow, but sometimes it's look like that in what is that? Laziness. It's totally is given to you. Some of the poem, very short of that poem is there, and in this related some hard words and meanings you must read and write in your classwork. And once you read that in poem, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him, and is more than I can see. He is very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and sometimes it gets to little the heather. None of his at all. He hasn't got a notion of how children out of to play, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. Next one. He stays so close beside me, he's covered, you can see. I would think it shames to stick to nursery. Has the shadow still with me? Stick to me one morning Every one morning, very early before the sun was up, I rose found the shining dew one of the buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed by home behind me, and he was fast asleep on bed. Is given to you only the poem only is given to you, Nana, saying the surrounded by the shadow, how to it look like that, how to it will works, and when we are go to on that place, the shadow will comes on front. It's totally explained that in poet. But in this lesson you must read and write in your classwork in this poem and hard words and meanings. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you, Nana.